Hello YouTube, I'm Vince White. I'm an employment attorney, and on this channel we answer publicly posted questions from YouTube users getting folks the answer they need from an employment attorney. We have a question here from YouTube user Brian Reed 967. And Brian stated the following. Vince, I have a pending Equal Employment Opportunity Commission retaliation case. So I would presume that would be retaliation flowing from either a protected activity like opposing discrimination or complaining of discrimination or opposing sexual harassment or complaining about sexual harassment or just participating in the investigation of either. Brian goes on. I was terminated from my job as a battalion chief with a local fire department a few months ago. Since my termination in August, I have applied with close to 20 different departments for everything from entry level to training officer to deputy chief to chief of the department, all with no luck. I sent a resume to another department and asked them what sort of reference my former chief had given me. The reference was very negative, and I believe further retaliation. My question is this. In the event that I were to receive a job offer, would taking the position nullify claims that negative references were continued retaliation? Which had hurt my reputation and my ability to secure employment again. Okay, so I'm going to assume you have a valid retaliation claim. Here's the good news about retaliation claims. They give, in this field, specifically, if you're dealing with retaliation tied to discrimination or sexual harassment, they give rise to a third class of damages, right? In a normal claim, you have economic damages, emotional damages. In a retaliation claim in this field, you have punitive damages. And punitive damages in this field are assigned by the jury. They're not really tied to a real-world event so much. The jury instruction on how to determine the correct amount of punitive damages has more to do with how much do we need to punish this employer to make sure they don't retaliate again in the future. Not exactly it, but that's the way to think of it. Now, that's good news for you, Brian, because you can go ahead and accept that job offer just fine, and it won't necessarily impact your retaliation claim. At least not if your retaliation claims dealing with sexual harassment or discrimination. Now, there are other forms of retaliation claims that you may be dealing with. I'm not going to get into those. If that is the case, comment down below on this video. I'll make you a follow-up video. If this was helpful, like, subscribe, comment down below, share our channel so it can grow. I wish you all wonderful things. Oh, live stream this afternoon, 4 p.m. Eastern Time. Live question and answer with me. Take care, everybody.